Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character nián step by step. First, I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. nián, nián means year, annual, age. nián, for example, 新年 新年 means New Year. Happy New Year. 新年快乐。新年快乐。Happy New Year. Now follow me to write 连 in cursive. Basically, you can write like this. 年 年 See? 新年快乐 Happy New Year. Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 年. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.